Reko Diq is a place far away in Pakistan, nestled in the heart of Balochistan. This remote town is not just a dot on the map. It is a land of untapped potential and hidden wonders. The land is dry and vast, stretching out as far as the eye can see. It is a place not widely known to the world, often overlooked and forgotten. But beneath its barren surface, Reko Diq holds a great treasure of copper and gold. These precious metals lie in wait, promising wealth and prosperity. This remote town is in Balochistan, near the borders of Iran and Afghanistan. Its strategic location adds to its significance, making it a point of interest for many. The area is rugged, with mountains rising from the desert like ancient sentinels. These rocky formations tell a story of geological wonder and natural beauty. The sun shines brightly, casting a harsh light that makes life hard, yet it is this very sunlight that reveals the land's hidden value. Yet the land has hidden value, a promise of riches that could transform the region. The name Reko Diq means sandy peak in the local language, a fitting description for the shifting sand dunes and small hills that characterize the landscape. It describes the shifting sand dunes and small hills, constantly reshaped by the winds. The area is part of the Tethyan magmatic arc, a belt of ancient rocks that have witnessed the Earth's history unfold over millions of years. Volcanoes once brought minerals to the surface, enriching Reko Diq with a bounty of natural resources. The significance of Reko Diq is growing as more people recognize its potential. It is not just a place of metals, but a beacon of hope for the future. It's not just about metals, it's about hope for Pakistan. The promise of economic growth and development is intertwined with the land's natural wealth. Copper and gold can bring money and jobs, revitalizing the local economy and providing opportunities for the people. But extracting these metals is complex and needs careful planning. It requires advanced technology and sustainable practices to ensure that the environment is protected. The people and environment must be considered, as they are integral to the region's future. Balancing development with preservation is key. Reko Diq is a place of challenge and great promise. It stands as a testament to the potential that lies within the earth, waiting to be discovered and nurtured.
Reko Diq is in the Chagai district of Balochistan, Pakistan's largest province. The district is remote, with few rough roads and small towns far from big cities. The exact spot of Reko Diq is near the dry Sindak volcano on a high plateau. The climate is harsh, with hot summers, cold winters and rare rain. Water is precious, and people and animals must search for it. The true importance of Reko Diq lies beneath its surface. Scientists have found huge amounts of copper and gold in porphyry rocks. These deposits formed millions of years ago from hot fluids carrying metals upwards. The discovery was a long process, with geologists studying the area for years. Their work confirmed the great wealth, attracting global interest. Mining companies and the Pakistani government are involved. Developing these resources could change the region's future and bring challenges.
The landscape of Reko Diq is a true desert, with endless stretches of sand and rocky outcrops. This vast expanse is both mesmerizing and intimidating, a testament to the raw power of nature. The desert surface is a mosaic of textures, from fine, shifting sands to rugged, immovable rocks. The colors are muted, with browns, grays, and tans dominating. These earthy tones create a serene yet stark palette that changes subtly with the light, offering a different view at dawn, noon, and dusk. The setting sun sometimes paints the sky, making the desert glow. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky can turn into a canvas of oranges, pinks, and purples, casting long shadows and highlighting the contours of the land. There are few trees, and shade is rare. These hardy plants are scattered sparsely, their roots digging deep into the earth to find water, providing a stark contrast to the barren surroundings. The horizon seems endless, creating a stark beauty. This vast openness can be both liberating and isolating, a reminder of the desert's unyielding nature. The weather is extreme, with summer temperatures soaring above 50 degrees Celsius. The heat can be relentless, creating shimmering heat waves that distort the landscape and challenge any form of life. Dust storms are common, reducing visibility and lasting for hours or days. These storms can be fierce, whipping up the sand and creating an almost impenetrable wall of dust that engulfs everything in its path. Winter nights can be very cold, sometimes freezing. The temperature drop is drastic, and the desert, which was scorching hot during the day, can become bitterly cold at night. Water is critical, with annual rainfall less than 100 millimeters. This scarcity of water shapes the entire ecosystem, making every drop precious and life-sustaining. Rivers are mostly dry beds, flowing only after rare heavy rain. These ephemeral rivers can transform the landscape temporarily, bringing a burst of life and greenery. People and animals depend on deep wells for groundwater. These wells are lifelines providing the essential water needed for survival in this harsh environment. The terrain is varied, with flat sandy plains, low rolling hills, and gravelly surfaces. This diversity in the landscape adds to the desert's unique beauty and complexity. Sand dunes rise and move slowly over time. These ever-shifting formations are sculpted by the wind, creating an ever-changing landscape that is both beautiful and treacherous. The ancient volcanic origins are visible in the rock formations, telling a story of fire and change. These rocks are remnants of a turbulent past, standing as silent witnesses to the forces that shaped this land. Plants in Reko Diq are special, adapted to survive in a very dry place with strong sun. They often have small leaves to lose less water and long roots to find water. Some store water in their stems or leaves like natural tanks. Vegetation is sparse, with bushes and shrubs common. Low-growing plants avoid strong winds. Examples include thorny acacia trees and tamarisk shrubs that grow in salty soil. Grasses appear quickly after rain and then dry up. Many plants have medicinal uses, known to local people for treating illnesses. This traditional knowledge is a part of the local culture. The survival of these plants is amazing, facing challenges like overgrazing and climate change. Protecting the flora of Reko Diq is important for the unique ecosystem. Animals in Reko Diq are well adapted to the harsh environment. Many are nocturnal, active at night to avoid the sun. They rest in burrows or shady spots during the day to save energy and water. The desert comes alive after sunset with various creatures searching for food. Reptiles like lizards and snakes are common, with some snakes being venomous. Insects like beetles and ants play a role in the ecosystem. Small mammals like gerbils dig tunnels and are food for larger animals. Larger mammals like desert foxes and wild sheep are rarer but exist. Birds, both resident and migratory, live in Reko Diq. Sand grouse are famous for carrying water in their belly feathers to their chicks. Birds of prey soar in the sky, hunting for small animals. Protecting these animals is crucial as their habitat is fragile.
Reko Diq is remote, but the region around it has a long history. People have lived in Balochistan for thousands of years, leaving signs of ancient cultures. Archaeologists have found old settlements, tools, and pottery, showing how people adapted to the desert. The cultural heritage lives in the traditions of local people, especially the Baloch. The Baloch have a rich culture with their own language, customs, music, and poetry. Ancient rock art in some parts of Balochistan shows animals, hunting scenes, and symbols. These sites are like open-air museums, connecting us to distant ancestors. Exploring these cultural aspects needs respect and support for local communities. The development of Reko Diq should protect this heritage, balancing progress and tradition.
While Reko Diq focuses on its mineral wealth, the surrounding region of Balochistan offers much more than just its rich deposits. This area is a treasure trove of natural beauty and diverse landscapes that captivate the soul and inspire the mind. Balochistan offers stunning natural beauty, with its vast deserts, rugged mountains, and serene coastlines. Each part of this region tells a different story, one of resilience and timeless beauty. The Chagai Hills, where Reko Diq is located, are ancient volcanic rocks with changing colors. These hills are not just a geological wonder, but also a testament to the Earth's dynamic history. Exploring these hills can reveal hidden valleys and unique rock formations. Each trek through these landscapes is an adventure, offering new discoveries and breathtaking views. Balochistan has diverse landscapes, including majestic mountain ranges like the Sulaiman and Kirthar Mountains. These ranges are not only visually stunning but also rich in biodiversity. These mountains have more vegetation and different animals than the desert plains. The flora and fauna here create a vibrant ecosystem that contrasts sharply with the arid surroundings. The region also has a long coastline on the Arabian Sea with beautiful beaches and cliffs. This coastal area is a haven for marine life and offers stunning views of the ocean. Hingal National Park, one of Pakistan's largest, is in Balochistan. This park is a sanctuary for wildlife and a place of incredible natural beauty. It features mud volcanoes, the Princess of Hope rock formation, and the Hingal River. These natural wonders make the park a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts. Many animals live in this park, creating a green oasis in the dry land. The park's diverse habitats support a wide range of species, making it a vital area for conservation. Visiting these natural areas requires preparation and respect for nature. It's important to leave no trace and to preserve the beauty and integrity of these landscapes for future generations. The raw beauty of Balochistan's landscapes is unforgettable, showing the power and artistry of nature. From its rugged mountains to its serene coastlines, Balochistan is a region that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit.
The discovery of copper and gold at Reko Diq brings hope and questions. Local communities, mostly Balok, live nearby as herders and small farmers. The mining project will change their lives, creating jobs and improving living standards. New roads, schools, and hospitals might be built, bringing positive changes. But there are concerns about fair jobs and benefits for local people. Mining can change the landscape and affect water resources, threatening herders' livelihoods. The local culture might change with more outsiders bringing new ideas and potential tensions. Development must be fair, involving local communities and respecting their voices. The project should minimize negative impacts and respect local customs. Finding this balance is a big challenge, needing cooperation and trust.
Why visit Reko Diq? It's not a typical tourist spot. It's remote and rugged, attracting adventurers and geologists. They can study the unique rock formations and understand the impact of a major development project. Reko Diq is a real-world example of progress and its price. Potential activities are limited for casual tourists with no hotels or restaurants. Visits require permissions and careful planning, with safety being important. Reko Diq represents a future path for Pakistan with valuable copper and gold. This path must be walked carefully, protecting the environment and supporting local people. The story of Reko Diq is still unfolding, a story of natural wealth, human effort, challenges and hopes. Its future will shape the region for years to come.